Now students will do addition and subtraction of mixed fractions. So addition and subtraction of mixed fractions. So students, what is mixed fraction? Mixed fraction is uh, sum of whole number. Suppose one number is 1 and so whole number and fraction, so this will be called a mixed fraction. Suppose we have one whole number plus one fraction, any fraction. Okay, suppose we have 2 5 by 4 or 3 by 4, any any whole number plus fraction will be called mixed fraction. So we have one example. First we'll do addition, then we'll do subtraction. So first let's solve this question from for addition. So this question says the distance between Ramya's house. Okay, we know that girl Ramya, she had one bakery shop. So the distance between Ramya's house and her school is 1.5 kilometer. Okay students, so this is Ramya's house and this is her school. Okay, and the distance between her house and her school is how much? Is 1.5 kilometer. Okay, next, Ramya's mother drops Ramya to school on her way to bakery. Okay, so her school is between bakery and her house. Okay, her house is here, her school is here, and here is her bakery. So the school is between the house and bakery. The bakery is 3 upon 4 kilometer from Ramya's school. So here this is distance between school and bakery, and what we have to do, we have to find how much distance does Ramya mother covers on daily basis to reach her bakery. Okay, so we have to find the total distance between the house and the bakery. So to find the total distance, what we'll do, we'll add these mixed fractions. Okay, this they are the given fractions in this example are mixed fractions. So let's add these mixed fractions here. First what we need to do is, we need to make these mixed fractions uh, unlike fractions. Okay, that here, so 2 into 1 will be 2. Okay, 2 into this 2 into 1 becomes 2. Okay, and plus 1. Okay, how will you solve that question? Here you have been given 1 upon 2. So how will you solve that question? First you will multiply this 2 to 1, so it will become 2. Then you will add this 1, so 2 plus 1 will become total 3. Okay, or here divided by 2, so our answer will become 3 upon 2. Here I have written the same thing. Okay students, now similarly you will do here. What you will do, you will multiply this 4 into 2, so 4 into 2 will become 8 plus 3 upon 4, so it will become 11 upon 4. So I have written here 11 upon 4. Now you can see that in denominators both the fractions are different. Here in denominator there is 2, and here in denominator you have 4. So if denominators are different, what you will do, you will find the LCM. So you know that LCM of 2 and 4 is, so let's write table of 2. 2 into 1 is 2, and 2 into 2 is 4, and 4 into 1 is 4. Now you can see that So lowest number, okay, LCM is lowest common multiple. So lowest number which come in both 2 and 4 table is 4. So LCM of 2 and 4 is 4. Similarly, you can find like this. You can find LCM like this by this division method. First you write 2 and 4. Okay. First you write 2 and 4. Now you start from 2. You see, is there any number here divisible by 2? Yes, 2 and 4 are divisible by 2. So let's divide it by 2. So 2 will become 1 times and 4 is 2 times. Now again start from 2. Is any number divisible by 2 here? Yes, 2 is divisible by 2. So and 1 is not divisible, so just write 1 here and 2 1 times 2. Now to find the LCM, you will multiply these two numbers, these 2 and 2. When you multiply, you will get the answer 4. So students, now here in this fractions, you have to make the denominator 4. So multiply 2 by 2, and you will also need to multiply numerator by 2. And here you don't need to multiply here because already you have in denominator 4. So 3 into 2 will give 6 and 2 into 2 will give 4, and here plus 11 upon 4. So your answer will become 17 upon 4. Now students, you had total 4 parts. Okay, sorry, you had total 4 parts, and in denominator you have 17 parts. So you write 16 plus 1 because 16 comes in 4's table. Okay, so here you have 4 kilometer plus 1 upon 4 kilometers. So this is our answer. Total distance she covers is what? She covers is 4 1 upon 4 kilometer. Okay, because why we have written 17 to this 16 plus 1 we have written, because we want to convert this mixed fraction into this fraction into mixed fraction. Okay, because in question we have been given in mixed fraction, so we also need to convert our answer into mixed fraction. This is one fraction, but we need to convert into mixed fraction because our question is in mixed fraction. So we have written 17 to 16 plus 1 because 16 comes in 4's table. How many times? 4 times. So your answer will become 4 1 upon 4. Now you try this question. 1E and 1F. Okay, this is your homework, students. You have to try these questions 1E and 1F. You just have to add this mixed fractions. You have to convert mixed fraction into fraction. Then you have to convert denominator to same. Then you have to add. Then after adding, you have to convert into mixed fraction. Okay, mixed fraction into normal fraction, then normal fraction into mixed fraction. So let's move to our next question. Now in this question we have to do subtraction of mixed fraction. So let's read this question. Ramya's mother go to supermarket to buy some ingredients. Okay, she wants to buy some things. So supermarket, so let's see that this is her house, this is school, and this is supermarket, and this is bakery shop. So let's further read this question. Ramya's mother goes to supermarket. Okay, supermarket, this is our supermarket, and to buy some ingredients. The supermarket is located between Ramya's school. Okay, here is Ramya's school and here is bakery. The distance between the bakery and supermarket is, the distance between the distance between bakery and supermarket is 1.5 kilometer. Here you can see that the distance between supermarket and bakery is 1.5 kilometer. Now students, what we have to do, we have to find the distance between supermarket and Ramya's house. Okay, where is supermarket? Here in third number you have supermarket and house. Now students, to find the distance between house and supermarket, you will subtract 1.5 from this total distance. We have already calculated this total distance for 1/4 kilometer. Okay, so you'll subtract this distance. So let's solve this question. 1/4 minus 1/2. Okay, okay students, so let's solve this question. Now you can see that here we have been given mixed fraction. Okay, we have to convert this mixed fraction into normal fraction. So what we'll do, we will multiply this 4 into 4. So 4 into 4 will give 16 plus 1. Okay, let me solve this for you. This this 4 1/4 will give 17/4. How? First you will multiply this 4 into 4, so it will become 16, and then you will add this 1, so 16 plus 1 divided by 4, so that will give you 17/4. Okay, so I have written here 17/4. Then similarly here 2 into 1 plus 1, 3/2. Now students, you can see that 2 and 4 and 2 are different denominator here. So what we need to do is, we need to make this denominator same. So LCM of 4 and 2 is, we have already calculated this LCM of 4 and 2 is 4. So we'll make this denominators 4. So here multiply this 2 by 2 to make it 4. We also need to multiply this numerator by 2. So 17/4 plus minus 6/4, this will give you 11/4. Now 11/4, this 11/4 is a mixed fraction, is a normal fraction. What we need to do is, we need to convert this normal fraction into mixed fraction. So write here 8 plus 3 divided by 4, because 8 comes in 4's table. Okay, 8 comes in 4's table. How many times? 2 times. Okay, 8 comes in 4's table 2 times, plus we have 3/4. So this is our answer. I hope you have understood. Because why we have written 11 to 8 plus 1, 8 plus 3, because 8 comes because 8 is completely divided by 4. Okay, how many times? 2 times. So 8 is completely divided by 4 2 times, so that's why we have written 8 plus 3, and this 3 is extra. Okay, this 3 is extra, so this is our answer. Now students, your homework is question 1L or question 1M. Okay, try this any of these two question And if you have not understood, watch this video again, and also write your name in comment box in YouTube if you have watched this video completely. Okay, and try this question and send me answer in my WhatsApp number. Okay, this question is in your exercise. Okay, see you next time.